fish bowls today. Leave the sad guitar in its hard shell case. Leave the worried look on your lover's face. Let the orange embers in the fireplace remain. 'Cause everything, it must belong somewhere. A train off in the distance, bicycle chained to the stairs. Everything, it must belong somewhere. I know that now, that's why I'm staying here. Leave the ocean's roar in the turquoise shell. Leave the widower in his private hell. Live the liberty in the broken bell today. Leave the epic poem on its yellowed page. Leave the gray macaw in its covered cage. Let the traveling band on the interstate remain. 'Cause everything, it must belong somewhere. Soundstage in California, televisions in Times Square. Everything, it must belong somewhere. I know that now, that's why I'm staying here. I know that now, that's why I'm staying here. Leave the secret talks on the trundle bed. Leave the garden tools in that rusted shed. Leave those bad ideas in your troubled head today. Leave the restless ghost in his old hotel. Leave the homeless man out in that cardboard cell. Let the painted horse on the carousel remain. 'Cause everything, it must belong somewhere. The cold around her finger or the silver in his hair. Everything, it must belong somewhere. I know that now, that's why I'm staying here. I know that now, that's why I'm staying here. In truth, the forest hears each sound, each blade of grass as it lies down. The world requires no audience, no witnesses, no witnesses. Leave the old town drunk on his wooden stool. Leave the autumn leaves in their swimming pool. Leave the poor black child in that crumbling school today. Leave the novelist in his daydream tomb. Leave the scientist in his Rubik's Cube. Let the true genius in the padded room remain. Leave the horse's hair on the slanted bow. Leave the slot machines on the riverboat. Leave the cauliflower in the casserole today. Leave the hot, bright trash in the shopping malls. Leave the hawks of war in their capital. Let the organs moan in the cathedral remain. Everything, it must belong somewhere. They locked the devil in the basement, threw God up into the air. Everything, it must belong somewhere. Oh, you know it's true, I'd wish you'd leave me here. You know it's true, why don't you leave